Hi, I'm Gary Fales of City Theatrical. Today I'm going to show you our Show DMX, Show Baby wireless DMX system. I'm going to briefly tell you how the system works, and then we're going to do a setup here, set up a transmitter and receiver across a 300-foot distance. Show Baby is a member of the Show DMX family. Show DMX is the standard used on Broadway, London's West End. Many major musical tours. Lighting professionals trust Show DMX and City Theatrical for their wireless DMX. Our newest version of Show DMX is Show DMX Neo, state-of-the-art radio. We took that brand new state-of-the-art radio, we put it into this tiny little package, took away all the user interface, and made it Show Baby. Really simple to set up and easy to operate, completely plug and play. It's a great system for up to 1 universe of data. Okay, I'm going to show you how to set up the transmitter now. First, we're going to plug our AC line in. Okay, when we plug it in, we see it, the Show Baby comes alive as a receiver, and the data light is blinking, showing that it's not receiving data. Now watch what happens when we plug in the data line from our console, plugging DMX in. When we plug DMX in, automatically it configures itself as a transmitter, and it shows that the data light is lit solid, showing that it's receiving data. Every Show Baby is a transceiver, so automatically it knows when you plug a DMX line in, it configures itself as a transmitter. If you don't plug DMX in, but rather plug DMX out, it's a receiver. Okay, now what we're going to set up here is a 300-foot transmission from here all the way down to the other end of the shop. We've got an LED lighting fixture down there. I'm going to push up channel 1 on my controller, and this is a pretty typical setup that you do when you're hanging a show. If you don't want to run 350 feet of DMX cable, you can use wireless DMX, and it saves all the cable, which is quite expensive, and all the time it takes to run that cable, potentially tape it down, run it over doorways, etc. So a big time saver for loading in your show. Let's go down to the other end of the shop now and set up the receiver. Okay, now we're down at the other end of the building, 300 feet away. We've got an LED fixture set up on the floor here. I got the Show Baby that's going to be our receiver. I've got the DMX line that's going to plug into the fixture and the Show Baby, and the AC power for the Show Baby. So I'll plug the power into the Show Baby. Now this time when it wakes up, look what happens. Shows it's a receiver, shows it's receiving DMX, and it has signal strength bars showing it's receiving the DMX signal from the transmitter. Now take the DMX line, I plug DMX out, and our fixture comes on in red because we left channel 1 up on the controller. Now we'll go back down to the other end. I'll show you how we have control over the fixture via wireless DMX over the 300-foot span. Okay, back at the transmitter end, now you can see we have control over the LEDs, channel 1, 2, 3, red, green, and blue. In just a few minutes, we set up a reliable link here from our transmitter to our receiver 300 feet away. It saved us a 300-foot run of DMX cable, and it saved all the time it would take to run that cable, tape it down, potentially go over doorways. We set up a very trustworthy and reliable link. Remember, it's the same radio that's used in our top-of-the-line professional Show DMX system called Show DMX Neo, used on all the Broadway shows and West End shows. I want to tell you one other thing. This place where we're doing the demo is where the Show Baby is manufactured. It's manufactured right here in Carlstadt, New Jersey. Our engineering team designed it. Our manufacturing team builds it. Our sales and customer service team helps you with all your questions. If you have any questions about it, call here in New Jersey, call our office in London, or call any of the City Theatrical dealers around the world. Thank you.